Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to AirPlay from your iPhone or your iPad to your Samsung TV. For this video we're using the Samsung Q80B series, but it is going to be the same for just about any other Samsung TV that's been made in the last few years. Simple process, so stay tuned. The first thing you're going to want to do is hit the settings button on your remote control. It's a little button that's got a cog on the top and then it says 1, 2, 3 underneath, so you press that. And you're going to get this screen at the bottom, or it might look like this. So if it looks like this and you see the numbers, you're just going to press up on the directional pad and you're going to get back to your settings. And now we've got all settings highlighted, so we're going to click the center button on the directional pad. And then we're going to go down to connection. And then we're going to hit right. And then we're going to go all the way down to Apple AirPlay settings. So from here, you're going to see, one, that Apple AirPlay is already turned on. If it says off, you're just going to hit that center button on your directional pad again until it says on. Now the next step is you're going to go down to require code. Here you have a few options. You can do first time only, where you just put a code in once you AirPlay from your phone to the TV. You can make yourself do that every time, or make whomever is using AirPlay do it every time. Or you can use a password instead. I like to do first time only, especially if it's at your own home and you're essentially the only one that's going to be using it, you or family members. First time only just makes it a little bit easier. So we'll leave it on first time only. So from here, we're going to hit back and we're going to make sure that the television is on the same network as your phone. So this is an important step, because if they're not both on the same network, they're not going to be able to talk to one another. So you're going to go into open network settings here. And then from there, you'll choose wireless. And then because we're in a big building, we have several different Wi-Fi or wireless connections to choose from. We're going to go on Apt devices here. And then we'll also make sure that our phone is also on Apt devices. And now that we know both are on the same network, we can find our video. And on that video, we're just going to touch on the video, and you'll see this little icon up here. It's a rectangle with a few bars at the bottom. And we're going to push that, and it's going to bring up a whole list of different things. It's not going to be this many when you're doing it in your house. There may only be 1 or 2 devices on there. But we're going to go and click on AirPlay and Bluetooth devices. And then we're going to search for the TV. In this case, it's the Samsung Q80B. So we're going to scroll down. And again, this is only because we have tons of products on display. But we're going to scroll down until we find Q80B and the 65-inch. And we click on that. And now it's going to ask for that code that we set up before. So AirPlay passcode. So we're going to type in 2871. The code is going to be random, so you may see a different one on your television. And then you click on OK. And it's going to bring that video that you were just watching up onto the screen of the television. So it's that simple. Once you're connected, you can even use your phone to control the volume of the television or to select other videos. As always, we appreciate you guys checking out our videos, and stay tuned for more.